Guys, hopefully by the end of this video, I'm going to be able to show you how to invest in the blockchain. All right, I know it's a big, broad term, but I'm going to try my real best after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's rock and roll, baby. So guys, let's dive straight into what the blockchain is, okay, and how we can get invested into it. Everyone on here, agree with me if you know what Bitcoin is. Let me know in the comments if you've heard the word Bitcoin. If you haven't, I'm not sure where you've been hiding. Now, Bitcoin is the most popular part of the blockchain ecosystem, but let me tell you how you can actually invest into blockchain. So first of all, blockchain is a distributed database or a ledger shared among a computer's networking nodes. As a database, what it does is it stores information digitally. Blockchains are, of course, best known for their crucial role in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but other like every altcoin. Now, an altcoin is a coin that is not Bitcoin. So thousands and thousands of altcoins because Bitcoin drives the crypto price. Now, one of the most important parts, okay, of the blockchain is the differences between normal standard practices in life. Blockchain actually collect data and put them on blocks onto the blockchain. So all this data that we are viewing right now, okay, is actually on the blockchain for us to view. That's how we can come on here and check the price of Bitcoin right now. And guys, if you're not getting Bitcoin right now, it's 27,925. It's up 1.8%. We are on the move. So guys, what I need you to do now is follow me over to fool.com, the article where I'm going to be telling you exactly why you should start investing in blockchain. Because first of all, you can get involved with digital purchased currencies, okay? I've just shown you Bitcoin. We can have a look at Ethereum right now, okay? The Ethereum price is very much going up as well at 1,635. So we've got Bitcoin going at 27. They're both going up, which is very, very good. Not only with crypto, you can actually get involved in exchange and traded funds, ETFs, okay? Especially what we're talking about here is obviously amplifying digital as a block and reality shares with NASDAQ and things like that. If you don't know what NASDAQ is, guys, the price right now is at 12,765. It's up 37% today. So you see what I'm saying? There's so many different ways to get involved in the price. Number 3 would be to participate in crowdfunding, okay? Initial coin offerings at ICOs. And number 4, investing in public companies. So these investing companies could be anything, okay? Let's search a few. Starbucks, okay, you can see here with the NASDAQ course, you can actually get involved with similar companies getting involved with the blockchain. Now we've got McDonald's, Target, Walmart, things like that, okay, related stocks within the NASDAQ that you can get involved with. Some to name a few, PayPal Holdings, Square, things like that. We can go as far as going into the different types of banking associations using the blockchain like Cash Apps, okay? There's articles talking about Cash App, Coinbase. Is this good for crypto exchanges? Things like that, guys. It's super cool. And you can get involved with commodities with the CMM groups. CME is at 1.96 right now. So if you don't know what that is, please do yourself a favor and get involved and have a look. But probably one of the biggest names we know is Facebook. And it is a tokenized stock. Bittrex stock price is at 170, okay? So things like Facebook, which you know is massive. You can go over to crypto.com. If you actually click on this, it'll take you to the crypto.com share site. Okay, so do your own research into this. Crypto.com is a fantastic wallet and exchange that you can use, and you can find out all the information. Guys, hopefully this gives you a bit of interest about what I'm talking about. There you go, guys. Do me the huge honor of hitting the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you did, and I'll see you next time.